Hey, what's up everybody? It's the Crypto Ginger here. Guys, this is going to be a very quick video. I just wanted to relay a message to everyone regarding what is taking place under the radar, for example, in India, where we've most certainly heard that they had a strong ban against cryptocurrencies, but a pretty good focus on blockchain technology, and we're actually seeing that kind of information coming through right now with this article with gulfnews.com stating that India's federal bank to offer blockchain-based remittance solutions to NRIs. Now, of course, it's interesting. They don't like the cryptocurrency side of things, but they do focus attention on blockchain to actually start dealing with their remittance issues. And if you look a little bit further here, we can easily see that the federal bank is an Indian private sector bank, and on Thursday they launched two technology-based remittance variants in the UAE enabled through partners, exchange houses, and banks for making remittances to India. And it goes further to state that with more than 15% of market shares in remittance to India, the bank expects to increase its share of business through the technology-driven solutions for its customers in the GCC region. And of course, the COO of the federal bank actually goes further to state that the federal bank is an important part of the remittance ecosystem to India, so it is only natural for us to offer the latest technology to our customers and remittance partners such as exchange houses and banks. So you can see that they're really just trying to incorporate quite a bit of partnerships that are taking place with this kind of technology here. And interesting enough, when it comes to this kind of technology, the talk of Ripple is absolutely there. All we got to do is really just kind of scan down here, and you can see that it says, as part of the upgrading remittance solutions, the bank has also entered into a partnership with Ripple Inc., a blockchain-supported global remittance company for cross-border remittance through its network. And of course, another quote coming from the CEO of the federal bank states that, for long, Federal Bank has endeavored to bring our non-resident clientele closer to their homes. Each of our digital offerings has been designed with this objective in mind. And something that's very interesting when it comes to this information here is something I found on Twitter through different members of the XRP community, and this is being passed around. I just wanted to share it with all of you guys here. Now, here is an example from someone on Twitter going by the handle of XRP_Canada, where they posted that Federal Bank has entered into a partnership with Ripple. They actually give a link with this particular reference here. And of course, they posted a screenshot of what looks to be some information as far as the documentation is being concerned between, again, this partnership between the Federal Bank and Ripple. And as you can see here, it does talk a little bit more about the Federal Bank partners with Ripple to accelerate cross-border remittance. And check this out, it's all signed regarding the secretary of the federal bank here, and pretty much we have what looks to be an official document that's taking place here. And of course, it's coming from India, the country that has most certainly made it apparent that they were banning the idea of cryptocurrencies and focusing on blockchain technology. So again, very, very big news when it comes to what's taking place with this partnership between Ripple and the federal bank, and hopefully we'll start hearing a lot more. I just wanted to relay this message to you all. Please let me know what you guys think about this information. I'll leave links in the description so you can kind of venture out and look at this a little bit more in depth yourself. And since we're on the subject of exciting news regarding Ripple and of course their expansion, I just wanted to relay to everyone a particular article that just recently came out talking about Ripple's powered Money Tap gets investment from 13 regional banks courtesy of SBI Holdings. And of course, looking a little bit further, we can easily see that Money Tap CO Limited, according to the announcement aired on the 28th of March, SBI Holdings declared that it would be accepting investments from 13 banks which showed interest in venturing funds into the provider of next-generation financial infrastructure. And of course, the Money Tap mobile application allows for seamless transfers of money from banks to banks as well as within individuals through smartphones. So you can see right off the bat just how big Money Tap can actually be. It's not just limited for individuals. This is something that banks can actually utilize just as well. And we can easily see that again. This is something that's going to be utilized for 13 different types of regional banks that are coming on board and actually taking advantage of this particular application, Money Tap, which is again powered by Ripple. So we absolutely have some things taking place under the radar, guys. And of course, I would imagine that this slow but sure process is going to expand upon itself, and once it actually gets to a point where we actually have majority of all the banks and financial institutions ready to go with RippleNet, the moment they flip that switch, the price of XRP is absolutely going to be adjusted for that. It has to be, because then we will be seeing a significant amount of money flowing in and out of these particular types of corridors, whether it is using XRapid or XCurrent or simply using XRP through different sources such as the Corda Settler, which is designed by R3 and Ripple. Those are just different types of gateway avenues that can utilize XRP. That will absolutely affect the price point of the XRP digital asset. This right here is a very significant starting point for all these companies and Ripple. So very, very big moves that are taking place here. And of course, again, I would guess that this right here is going to be something heavily expanded upon when it comes to reaching out to more and more banks and financial institutions. And of course, if there's anything that I might have missed out of all this information, please leave it in the comments section. The dialogue that takes place between you guys is fantastic. And of course, I definitely learned a lot from you all as well. So keep that all in mind. And if you're new to this channel, please hit the like and subscribe button and share this content with everybody. We need as many people on board in this XRP community so that they are prepped and ready to go when this thing launches. And of course, if you need to secure cryptocurrencies offline, please take advantage of that Ledger Nano link. And if you simply just want to have some crypto on your mobile phone accessible to you, take advantage of that Uphold link. Again, thank you for watching, guys. I definitely appreciate it. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.